There you go.
Okay.
We're starting. Good day, everybody. Here's the hair we're going to cut today. And we're going to make it nice, like a gentleman's haircut, using these tools. Regular clipper and comb. There you go.
So you're gonna go south this winter? Are you gonna go south this winter to Victorville?
Well, right now I have not heard anything yet, so
Okay.
hopefully, because I was telling Mom, my wife, if we take a vacation I'd like to do it when it's warm
Mm-hmm.
here in Anchorage. Because living in Anchorage when it's cold is very unpredictable.
Mm-hmm.
What if something happened? And nobody home.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be a disaster.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd rather be here during
Mhm.
cold weather. And take a vacation when it's warmer. That's why it'll be different when the kids will take it over.
Mm.
So they'll be the one.
So
Mm-hmm.
who do you have in Victorville?
Mm-hmm. So
So you have one of your children in Victorville?
yes.
Okay. Okay.
The eldest is over there.
Okay.
The middle one is in Arizona,
Mm-hmm.
and the youngest is here.
Mm-hmm.
So, if everybody takes their share,
Mm-hmm.
and we don't have to worry anymore,
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, we can leave anytime. I prefer to be out then when the weather is not good.
Mm-hmm.
When the weather is too cold, then that's the time to leave, right?
Yeah. My oldest boy is in
Mm-hmm.
Henderson.
Okay. Yeah. Hopefully, they'll take it over soon.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So that they'll be the one taking care of it while we're still here. So we can say, or yeah, we can tell them to do better, or
Yeah.
yeah.
My youngest boy
Mm.
is here,
Mm-hmm.
and for about 4 years now he's had an Allstate agency. My youngest boy.
All right.
Hey.
Allstate is not bad.
He's doing very well.
That's my insurance.
Huh?
Allstate.
Yeah, he does all kinds of
Yeah. That's my,
automobile and everything.
that is our insurance
Is that yes,
for
sir? Okay.
our car,
Yeah.
our property, all everything.
Yeah,
So that's nice.
he's a good boy. Young, but
Mm-hmm.
very good.
All right.
About 4 years now he owns the agency.
Mm-hmm. Good.
My big boy works for Seaman Company.
Ah.
They do business all over the world.
Yes. Yeah, I like people who get busy and
That's right. Busy is good. Busy is good.
do something.
Busy
nice.
keeps you in the right frame of mind, out of trouble.
Thank you. Yes, because if you are just idling,
It's no good.
you could be tempted to do
That's
something.
exactly right. Exactly.
Something you don't like.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Things that get you
Right.
in trouble. Yeah.
It's better to be busy, so the mind is busy too.
Yeah.
Won't be, hopefully, can't be tempted to do something wrong.
Exactly right. That's right.
Yeah. So,
The hair is going away.
yeah.
The hair is leaving me.
So,
But that's okay.
mhm.
Now, as an old man, it's just one of those things. That's the way it goes. Very good.
All right.
Excellent. As usual.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, yes.
There it is,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen. A gentleman's haircut.
Yeah.
Medium short along the edges.
Yeah.
And I think the side and the top seems to be blended already by itself.
Yes. Well, it's come a long ways. My hair.
Yeah,
At
it
one
might
time
be
it was.
thinning, but still there.
Yeah. Yes. I'm now 92. So
Look at that.
it's good to have a little bit of hair.
20 years apart.
Oh, is that right? Okay. You're doing fantastic.
72.
Yeah, yeah. You gonna work a little bit longer? Are you gonna work a little bit longer?
I'm hoping until I was told this generation can get up to 120.
Well, you have to work and prepare yourself for that time.
You got 32 more years.
Well, that's true,
That's
but
it.
the scriptures don't guarantee us that, but we can.
See?
You're right, 120. But I think the best thing to talk about is 116 somebody. But that's
Yeah, I was told because of the improved
I'm sorry.
because of the improved
Oh, conditions. That's right.
right.
Yeah, yeah,
improvement of
Yeah.
everything.
yeah. In my family, the generation that was three behind me, one of the girls lived to 109.
Oh,
Yeah, one of them.
wow. Nice.
But my grandmother died early.
Mm. Yeah, that's what I heard.
But you're right.
I
I've heard
think-
that more than once.
I think if that's what's happening now, then we're blessed. That's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah,
Because it's nice to be around while the family are growing,
that's right.
so that you can, you can
But
still,
You're doing excellent.
right, you
and-
can still say something to them and say, hey, stop it,
Yeah,
do something better, or hey,
Yeah.
keep up the good work.
that's right. Exactly.
Yeah.
But at 72, you're doing fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But my sense of
Mm-hmm.
living is that work as long as you can is a plus for working. Okay.
Medium, short,
Very
along
good.
the edges.
Very good, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent.
And
And I'll put my, I'll have to see what I'm doing.
exactly.
I can't do that without my glasses. Thank you.
Thank God for the improvement again.
Oh, yes, very good. Excellent for what's left.
This. Hey,
But that's good.
that's a sign of having been around for some time,
For a long time.
for a long time.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, very good. Thank you, sir.
All right, sir.
Yes.
And thank you so much for watching.